Hey there, magicians, and welcome to Friday. Well, it looks like it's going to be a pretty darn good weekend for you, Pisces, but there may be a bit of a breakdown or breakthrough in the next 24 hours. In fact, if you go to yesterday's soul horoscope, I talked about expansion. Yesterday was a day to put yourself out there to try new things, and the topic is soul capital this month with the sun in Aries. And if you're just tuning in, soul capital really deals with self-esteem, money issues, abundance, and values. So Pisces are updating all of these categories during the course of Sun Aries. And this weekend is the final breakthrough, the final lap. We're going to turn that final quarter, and then we just have to the finish line, and we're done with this strength transit. Thank Goddess. Now for you, it will manifest in one of two ways. If you've been in denial all month long about what you don't have in the bank account or that everyone treats you like crap, and if you have not been paying attention to the obvious and instead kind of putting yourself in other places and distracting yourself, which is what Pisces sometimes do when they don't want to face something, then this weekend may be a breakdown. You're going to finally see that account balance and probably freak. But if you've been kind of on top of your game, and you've been looking for solutions all month long, and you've been kind of working with the universe, this could be breakthrough. This could be you finding money you didn't know. This could be you redoing your taxes. This could be you just looking at yourself and going, you know what, gosh darn it, I'm cute, I'm smart enough. You know how it ends. So this is a great weekend for that. But the universe is going to help out. The moon in Cancer, as of tomorrow morning, actually it's transitioning probably as I tape. The moon in Cancer actually giving you nice focus of inner child, the creative part of you, the fun part of you, the magical part of you, frankly. So you're going to have a lot of Pisces Disney magic on Saturday and Sunday. It's really a great opportunity to realize just how incredible you are, right? And one other thing, the moon will cross over Mars on Saturday, so you're going to feel really charged about those dreams. So take advantage, Pisces. All right, that's all I have for your weekend forecast. See you back on Monday. Live, love, be.